Artoonza.
Warning. These are the cutest fries in the universe, but don't eat them unless you like chewing glitter. Today, we're drawing golden fries so sparkly, your crayons might cry from joy. We'll vacuum up the glitter mess with our mischievous mini cleaner, drop in juicy paint blobs, and swirl it all with paintbrush magic.
So
Get
cute.
ready for a crispy, glittery, fry-tastic adventure. Let's draw the snack of your dreams. These fries are too cute to eat, but too sparkly not to stare at. Give us your like. Oops! Our tiny vacuum just stole a fry. Come back, you glitter thief! Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Give us a big thumbs up. Time to paint the fries' fancy pants. Bright red and ready to party. Don't be shy, color high. This is better. Color, color, color. This is so amazing. Now for the main event. Golden fries so bright they might text the sun for fashion tips.
So cute.
If these fries start chatting, I'm blaming the glitter fumes and calling the ketchup for backup. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.